Spark plug install, oil filling. Why does manual precision assembly keep stumbling on fragile parts and missteps? 3 pits of manual precision assembly. Spark plug ceramics are fragile. One knock scraps the part and lifts cost. Insertion angle and force vary, risking cross-thread and misalignment. And missed parts or fills go unnoticed until end of line, a costly rework. This cell runs a collaborative robot through the full flow: pick, align, insert, and fill. Gentle handling of fragile parts, precise programmed alignment and threading, metered filling, every step controlled. Station 1, Precision Spark Plug Install. The robot picks the ceramic part with low impact, aligns vertically, and threads it in with consistent angle and force. No knocks, no cross-thread. Station 2, Metered Oil Filling. Aligned to the port by program. The fill volume is precise and controlled. Not too much, not too little. Logged on completion to rule out missed or wrong fills. The payoff is real. Breakage on fragile parts drops. Assembly consistency locks in. Missteps are ruled out by program and logging, and both shifts run unmanned. Mixed variants are welcome too. Drag to teach plus vision alignment means a model change is just a program edit. No retooling. From spark plugs to oil filling, a collaborative robot turns precision assembly into a low breakage, traceable, flexible standard process. This is EVST. We make line automation real.